What's up, fam bam? It's your boy James R. Davis Sr. coming to you live this morning on Real Crypto Talk. Let's get right on into it. Today is 12/12, December the 12th, 2020. Let's look at the markets and see what is going on in the markets. Just looking at some stuff. Bitcoin, 18,000 per coin. Ethereum 557. XRP 51 cents. Last hour, let's look at the last 24 hours. Bitcoin is up 3% over the past 24 hours. Ethereum is up 2%. XRP down 5%. I kind of knew that was going to happen because of the snapshot. People are going to have a sell-off right before it. Seasoned crypto guys kind of already know how this goes. So there's really no surprise to me that XRP is down 5% over the past 24 hours. Litecoin is up 4%. Bitcoin Cash is up 2%. Link is up 4%. ADA is up 5%. Polkadot is up 1%. Binance Coin is up 2%. Let's look at some of the 24-hour losers real quick. I don't know what they changed their system around. So let me go to CoinGecko, guys, and we'll get it right on into the news. I want to look at the biggest losers. I don't know what Coinbase got going. CoinMarketCap got going on with the past 24-hour frame, the highest 24 hours. NIM got the highest 24 hours, 22%. Energy Token Web got 15%. And Elron got 14%. Quan got 12%. Decred got 11%. I'm looking at the biggest losers. This is what I want right here. Top losers over the past 24 hours. Okay. XRP down 5%. Empty Set Dollar down 1%. OKB down 0.8. 0.4 Filecoin, 0.3 DAI, 0.2, 0.7 Stellar, and everything else pretty much is up. Green Day for everybody else, pretty much in the past 24 hours. Pretty powerful stuff. So let's look at some of the headlines for today. Bitcoin miners in Venezuela await new fair pricing for electricity. Big Sky, how's Twitter project to decentralize itself going? What is this? Exactly a year ago, Jack Dorsey's Twitter founder and CEO announced the launch of Blue Sky, a non-profit social network protocol that is supposed to decentralize Twitter. Okay, good stuff. Here's who profited the most off Bitcoin's bull run. XRP addresses reach new peak on eve of Spark airdrop. Might want to do your research on Spark. Crypto could kill picky credit card firms, says VC Paul Graham. MicroStrategy completes a $650 million raise to buy more Bitcoin. Wow. Revolut adds 4 cryptocurrencies, including Tezos, EOS. Make sure you're looking into those as well, guys. I definitely own some EOS and Tezos. Let's see who else. British fintech Revolut has added 4 additional cryptocurrencies to the platform, allowing its customers in the European Economic Area to buy EOS, OMG, and ZRX, and Tezos. I own all 4. Me personally. How will the Spark airdrop affect XRP's price? Social payments app bundle accepts Bitcoin Lightning payments. Raoul Paul is back in the news again. Sees cryptocurrencies gathering trillions of value. Did you read what I just read? Trillions of value. Okay, man, that is insane. Bitcoin balance on exchange falls to July 2018 lows. Alrighty, Here we go. Mud shuts down leveraged Bitcoin, Ethereum tokens. IOTA founder David Sundstebo exits the IOTA Foundation. Wow, that's interesting. And MasterCard, Visa stops payments to Bitcoin-friendly Pornhub. And this was on the last news. So caught up with the previous headlines, but let's go right into the news. Tyler Boss twins. Brother Tyler Winklevoss says the smartest people in the room are buying Bitcoin. This is just added 24 seconds ago. Let's take a read here. Gemini Crypto Exchange co-founders Winklevoss twins recently said that institutional investments from the likes of MicroStrategy and Paul Tudor are part of a flow of big money interests into Bitcoin. More than a handful of traditional financial giants have picked up stacks of Bitcoin throughout this year, including the likes of billionaire Paul Tudor Jones and business intelligence firm MicroStrategy. These investments are part of a flow of big money interests into BTC, Gemini Crypto Exchange co-founders Tyler and Cameron Winklevoss recently said. The price of the leading cryptocurrency Bitcoin also witnessed a massive surge later this year. The smartest people in the room are buying Bitcoin, quote unquote. In a CNBC interview, Tyler Winklevoss said that this is the most sophisticated investors, the smartest people in the room buying the Bitcoin quietly. So it's not a FOMO, fear of missing out. So if you ever hear that, that's what that means. It's not a FOMO thing. Major institutions are here for this go round as opposed to Bitcoin's retail-led bull run in 2017. Let me explain to some of you guys who don't understand the differences between the two of those terms. When they refer to institution investors, that means institutions, big money, billionaires. When they say retail-led, that means regular people, working people, middle-class people, poor people. Okay, that's the difference. When you hear retail investors versus institutional investors, just wanted you to understand the differences between those two. Okay, Bitcoin retail-lated bull run in 2017. He further explained, and he's right. He's absolutely right. You know, in 2017, Bitcoin reached up to almost 20,000 a coin, guys, because of a lot of regular folks was buying Bitcoin, and you know, it was pumping, and so now it's different. You know, you get all these, like he's saying, these major institutions are who are really fueling this particular bull run, and these are just a few people, guys. Let me continue reading on. He further explained, this year, in addition to Tudor Jones and MicroStrategy, Stanley Druckenmiller, Jack Dorsey's Square, Mass Mutual, and Guggenheim partners have all gained exposure to Bitcoin. And when they say gain exposure, knocking stuff over here. When they say they've gained exposure, that means that they've bought Bitcoin. Okay, breaking these terms down for people that don't really quite understand what that means. Not just being exposed to it, like, you know, what you would think. You know, I'm exposed to something. I'm familiar with something. No, they have bought Bitcoin. Okay, their crypto plays come in line. When they say crypto plays, meaning they bought. Okay, their crypto plays come in line with the this is mentorship stuff right here. I'll be charging anyway. Their crypto plays come in line with an unstable global economic atmosphere rife with excessive money printing efforts. Let me read that line again, because this is very important. Their crypto plays come in line with an unstable global economic atmosphere rife with excessive money printing efforts. They're worried about the scourge of inflation with all the money printing. Druckenmiller and Tudor Jones have aligned with the narrative. Bitcoin is similar to gold as a store of value and inflation hedge. Tyler Winklevoss further noted. Also, you have publicly traded companies like Square and MicroStrategy putting their treasury cash into Bitcoin because they're worried about the oncoming inflation and the scourge, however you pronounce it, of inflation with all the money printing and the stimulus from the C19 lockdowns. Okay. When asked about Bitcoin's volatility as an asset for transactions, the Winklevoss twins call Bitcoin a buy and hold strategy comparative to gold. We see Bitcoin right now as an emergent store of value that will disrupt gold. And that gets us to a $9 trillion market cap. Let's take a quick peek at what the current market cap is in crypto. 550, right? $550 billion. Half of a trillion right now. A little over half of a trillion right now. Let me wrap this up. That's crazy. 9 trillion? All right. And that's just in gold, guys. That's not equities. That's not real estate. That's not, oh, geez. That's the end of it? That's it? They're just going to drop us off right here, right? You know what, guys? Because I hadn't read this. I hadn't pre-read it or pre-prepared for this. So, I'm like, the abrupt ending of this particular article. But I will read some of these. But the IRS moves the crypto tax question to the top of Form W40. Hey, this needs a read right here. The IRS moves the crypto tax to the top of Form 40. Last year, it indicated they wanted to know who held crypto. Okay, this is important. I will click on this and open this up and save this particular article real quick. And I'll go back and I will put the emphasis on where they ended at. I mean, listen, very short, quick article. This guy knows what the hell he's talking about, okay? And man, that's heavy. That's heavy for them to end it like that. I think that's very. I think nothing else needs to be said after that. I think those are. This is what you call hidden clues. Like straight up, it's that crucial, guys. So hopefully, prayerfully, let's rock. Hopefully, prayerfully, you have been paying attention. You have been accumulating your Satoshis. This is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Make sure you like and subscribe to the channel. Turn on the post notifications for every time I upload a video, because you're gonna get some great, good stuff, some real crypto talk stuff. So something that you can hold and pass on for generations to come, because this is, the timing is just everything, and these guys are just leaving so many clues. It's just insane. They're just doing it in our faces for the people who are really paying attention. So I invite you guys, man, listen, if you need some crypto education, come over here to 3 Course Crypto. Go ahead and get your courses going. My man Brandon, he's a phenomenal brother, man. Just go over here, go to courses, tell him I sent you. My email is iconsglobal@gmail.com. Send them that. They're gonna pay me a little referral bonus for referring you to getting this education. I tell you folks, 200 to 200 for this one and this one, and just do a bundle. Another 200 for how to trade, a 3 bundle, all 3? Wow, 3 of them? Okay, cool. 500 for 3 of them. I guess he just added this one, didn't he? Yeah, I think he did. Anyway, yeah, he added the cryptocurrency lessons, trading. Hey, guys, you might want to get that. I'm just saying. Just wanted to shout out to my brother, man. He's doing a phenomenal job. Peace, guys.